Ab'ekitongole ky'ebyebibira kya National Forestry Authority NFA bakwatanise n'engabo z'eihanga ba UPDF otaireho poliisi bacwekereza omufureegi ogurikwingana kilomita 4 hamwe n'ekibira ekitamira hariho z'itaka 30 eky'emiti ya karituusi n'ekigendererwa ky'okuteekaho omuhanda gw'okurabyaho omudumo gw'amafuta ogwa East African Crude Oil Pipeline iyakopo mbugufu. Abahingi abateganisibwa mu nshonga egi nibagira ngu ab'ebyokwirinda hamwe n'aba NFA barikwerwaho abandi bashaija baba baine za mashini ez'amaani ezibakozesa omu kutema emiti egi. Ambrosi agaba omwe ahari abo bahingi abateganisibwa yashoborera omunyamakuru waitu ngu abantu aba bakakora ekikwekwete eki aizobe lya Sande omu ruturuturu obwo abantu babeire bagiire okushaba.
Jowanu manager wange yankubidde esimu nga ari mu miranga ng'agamba nti abasirikale bagize wanu ne bajja n'omwami Jonan Mugisha ne bajja n'aba mashini bangi batasobodde kubara omuwendo ne bajja ne batema emiti gy'abannanyini bibira bino benasimbira emiti.
Through our lawyers, we made an inquiry at ECOP seeking to understand what is taking place and their plans. Unfortunately, ECOP up to now has not yet responded, but they have chosen to take another path which is really regrettable, which is unfortunate.
Nagaruka shoborra ngu bakabanza beija ahizoba eryo mukaga baramba emiti barukuteekamu n'obunyerere batyo bagaruka izobe lya Sande omukasheshe bahagatire mashini z'okushara emiti obwe barukora omurimo ogwaba iyakopo.
Nga wayise wakabanga katono Mathias nangamba ntayagala kunsinkana n'abasaveya be bandage pipeline eyitawa era nenzija nabo ku ground ne bandaga nentegeeza bananyini zifaamu bananyini miti nti abayikopo bantuukiridde nga baagala kulaga kubalaga pipe yaabwe wait ekyo nga kiyisewo juzi wano Friday Mathias Mugisa oyo wa ikopo n'addamu nankubira esimu angamba bari baagala kunsinkana.
Emiti egi eri ey'abantu mukaga omwe aharibo nashoborra ngu emiti yabeegi ebire nebarirwamu obukaikuru rukaga eza shiringi ya Uganda ngu hati nibatebekanisa okuza omu mbuga z'amateeka okuhababira abakozire eki.
Kyetwandisanyukidde kyetwanukwataganye nakyo bulungi netu kubanga kati pipe bwe bagenda bagiteekako ejja kuyita wakati w'emiti gino ekitegeeza tugenda kubeera barranwa obudde bwonna twandibadde nga tuyina enkwatagana ennungi naye ate abantu be twandibadde n'enkwatagana nabo okujja ne bakola ekintu bwekiti.
To see that we have been treated this way. I am one of those people that really welcome the work of ECOP, and I know its impact is very great on our economy. However, they are falling short on stakeholder management. I would have expected that the due process for compulsory land acquisition in Uganda would have been followed in this.
Bwanyuma y'ebyo Aldoni Warukamba omugambirizi w'ekitongole kya National Forestry Management Authority nashoborra ngu emiti egi tetemirwe aba iyakopo oyireho etemirwe ba NFA abarukuteesa omu nkora ekiragiro n'obuteeka.
The East African Crude Oil Pipeline project acquired a license from the National Forest Authority to construct a pipeline through Tala Central Forest Reserve. And all the trees, plantations, and other growth that was in the right of way of the pipeline, the East African Crude Oil Pipeline duly compensated all affected persons in this project. This assessment was done as early as 2018, 2019, up to 2020, and thereafter the compensation was done.
Gasha kwa Gad Asaba ahabwa Tayari West.